एयर इंडिया रो नुआ मालिक हला टाटा ग्रुप 18,000 कोटी रे एयर इंडिया रो नीलामी जीति नहीं टाटा सन्स सरकार को तरफ एने सांबादिक सम्मेलन जरिया घोषणा करा जायछि। एयर इंडिया रो नीलाम रे टाटा सन्स समेत स्पाइस जेट मध्य सामिल होइतिला। स्पाइस जेट तरफ 15,100 कोटी रो नीलामी डका जायतिला। तेबे सर्वाधिक 18,000 कोटी रो नीलाम डाकी एयर इंडिया को किणी नहीं टाटा ग्रुप। एथि सहित 68 वर्ष पर टाटा ग्रुप हाथ को पुणी आसी जाइछि एयर इंडिया। एयर इंडिया रो आरंभ 1932 मसीह टाटा ग्रुप द्वारा करा जायतिला। 1932 जेआरडी टाटा टाटा एयरलाइंस रो स्थापना करथिले। द्वितीय विश्वयुद्ध समय रे विमान सेवा को बंद कर दिया जायतिला। एहा परे जेतेबेले पुणी थरे विमान चलाचल स्वाभाविक हैला सेतेबेले टाटा एयरलाइंस को बदला जाई एयर इंडिया रे परिवर्तन करागला। 29 जुलाई 1946 रे एयर इंडिया लिमिटेड भावे जणागला टाटा। देश स्वाधीन हेबा परे एयर इंडिया रो 49% अंशधन सरकार निज अधीन को नेथिले। 1953 रे एहार राष्ट्रीयकरण करा जैथिला। आउ एबे 68 वर्ष परे एयर इंडिया को किणी नेछि टाटा सन्स।
मित्रों, माननीय वित्त मंत्री जी ने 1 फरवरी 2021 में अपने बजट भाषण में ये कहा था कि वर्ष 2021-22 में सरकार एयर इंडिया के डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट को पूरा करना चाहती है। इस संदर्भ में डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट प्रोसेस की अंतिम कड़ी में कैबिनेट कमेटी ऑफ इकोनॉमिक अफेयर्स द्वारा अधिकृत एयर इंडिया स्पेसिफिक ऑल्टरनेट मैकेनिज्म, जिसको हम आईएसएम कहते हैं, ने विनिंग बिड पर स्वीकृति प्रदान की है। So this is when we started the process. Actually, it began in July 2017, as you're aware. In the first round, yes, I think that is up to them. So far as the bid is concerned, we will hand over, whenever the consideration is paid. Of course, the construct, the share purchase agreement, etc., allows them to go ahead with the mergers and other things. I mean, there is no restriction as such. Subject to the restriction is subject to, during the time they will maintain in the equity lock-in period, they have to maintain 51%. That means the ownership. The ownership has to be there with the bidder who has got it. I'll answer your later part first. Every strategic sale is to have the CCI approval. That is a regulatory approval is required, so that will have to be taken. So therefore, when I said that between signing and closing there is a period in which all these approvals have to be taken, there are also third-party approvals, there are lenders, there are many things which need to go between this time. There are condition precedent, there are certain conditions which company has to satisfy, there are certain conditions which the bidder has to satisfy, and there are certain conditions which the government has to satisfy. And on satisfaction of these conditions, only closing can take place. The other part, as you mentioned, was regarding, yes, I mean, basically in this case, the construct is that you have certain liabilities where, for example, I said that there is a government guarantee, which means that basically if the loan is not paid back by the Air India, then government has to pay back. So it is as good as the government liability. Now, to that extent the liabilities remain in the Air India, that is the part of bidder. And to that extent the liabilities go out, and I mentioned it, that there will be at least debt liability of 46,000 which are going away.
Bureau Report, Sunstar TV.